acrylic pour.
Dutch pour.
Well, we're doing a acrylic painting
Pour. Thing.
by just dumping acrylic on here. So
We previously mixed a bunch of paints. So.
yeah, we got a bunch of blues, our favorite. Going for the ocean vibes because
And then I got a little
ocean is
secret
our
weapon
place.
now.
And Gabe's got
A
gold.
little gold secret weapon.
I might do a little bit of the gold. So just a little.
use all
little.
of it. Yeah.
You know?
We do like a little square, right? Let's use the whole thing, remember, as the base. And then we put it on there, and then... Yeah, it's right. Well, I know, that's what I did too. So you can use my extra. Alright, let's do this. Are you ready? Yeah, alright.
Whatever. You got a shot?
Yeah, low setting.
Alright, put it on.
Low setting.
Oh, low.
Loud noises! It's doing it. Oh, not too much. There you go. Now
There we
just
go. Oh,
the sides, I guess.
I just gotta clean up the sides.
And you could probably tilt a little.
I
if you
don't want to
wanted
do
to.
that because I don't have any air bubbles going. So I'm liking mine so far. Oh, I got one air bubble I'm gonna work with, but
Oh my goodness. Okay,
yeah,
there we
go ahead.
Or you don't have enough paint.
Here, use my extra.
I got some. Just gonna go.
Pour it all on there. You got plenty. Just get it gloopy, gloopy, gloopy. I haven't really gotten that far in the pouring process yet, so she looks like she's going in it right now. That's nice.
Oh, this one has glitter in
That's the glitter one, huh? Yeah, I think I might start with my glitter one.
it. I'm gonna do a little gold.
You want to borrow the gold? All right. Kiss of gold, huh?
Oh, maybe she put a little bit.
All right, I think I'm gonna do the stripe. Oh, this is not level. It is running off the table.
I
It is
think
not
it's too
level.
watery.
Oh well, I'm just gonna go for it or whatever.
Crap.
Alright. Blue's going. Let me see the little bit of gold. Oh, mine is running down there. Oh. Okay. Maybe I can just surround it now and. Because mine is
It's too
so.
watery.
I think mine's just unlevel. Mine's not level. Oh.
See how
That's
mine.
I will just try to trap it now.
Okay, I think.
Ooh. That's what it is. It's kind of just going everywhere.
But it
So-
still looks pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna touch my dryer. I think I'm gonna take my glove off. There we go. Ready? Okay.
Go ahead so I can do it.
Wow, this is really.
Okay, easy.
Here, you do your little.
Dang it. Alright.
It still looks really pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, we'll see.
That looks so cool.
We'll see.
Maybe just like move it around on your like. Okay,
This is
I'm
what I'm
gonna.
gonna do. So you have to go from this side and blow it that way.
Yeah.
Alright.
I have to come in from this side and go that way? Or wait, no, I go that way, right? Oh man.
It does look really pretty. You could probably use more color to go like this. Not too much because it'll get like muddy, but that still looks really pretty. What if you added a little bit more paint and then kind of glue it? Alright, how do you do this?
Oh, you just...
Okay, I'm gonna try and do another. Blowing is harder than I thought. Oh, there we go. No kidding.
Oh my gosh, mine is not coming out at all. Yeah.
It kind of looks pretty though.
Yours looks pretty good. Mine's...
Ooh, you do get lightheaded doing that.
Mine is,
I'll help you. I had a feeling it was a little different.
So I'm gonna go this way, right? Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
You can sweep back this way if you want.
I'm so afraid to like...
I think that looks really pretty.
Oh, you see how it's like...
Yeah. I think it looks great. I don't really think there's like a way to like mess up.
Well, I think you did a good job on mixing up the paint though. I'm a little thin, so... Yeah.
I hate to see it, but I told you so.
So, lesson learned. I'm just gonna make my paint thicker next time. And Amanda's. There's one.
Okay, look at the little gold that came through.
Yeah, that's my table art.
Cool beans. Good job.
Good job, you.
Oh, thanks. All right, we'll show you when they dry, hopefully in 24 hours. Here's my painting. I think it came out really well. It cracked, as you can see in the lower right, but it still looks pretty. And we did a couple extras. This is a piece of wood. We had some extra paint, so we just poured them on. And here's Gabe's. His didn't crack as much as mine, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. Let us know in the comments if you end up trying this technique. Thanks for watching. See you next week with a fun new project. Okay, bye!